right, so mole nectar. I don't know. What I'm trying to do is, I have this great mole. I make mole and freeze it in 1 cup bricks, and it looks like mousse. And I want to turn this into something that you can drink. So I'm going to, first of all, it has lots of chunks in it. It's got still little pieces of nuts and raisins and all the whatnot that you put into mole. And it's, in order to make a beverage out of this, I want to try and get it smoother. So I'm going to blend this some more, and I'm going to dilute it. And right now, I'm using water to dilute this, and it's working fine. I have this thought, and maybe one of you at home can try this and let me know how it works out. Otherwise, I'll try it. But diluting it with almond milk, or maybe half almond milk and half water, since there's a lot of almonds in the mole, it might work out really well, and it might not. It might turn it into like a White Russian or something. You know? That's not what we want.
That wouldn't be, well,
Yeah, it might be all right, but this is more of an earthy sort of flavor here to the mole. It's a little bit sweet, which is fine. It's going to go with our tamarind syrup, which is a little bit sour, and we're going to add some agave syrup to it as well. So what I'm going to do here, I have 1 cup of mole, and I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of water to start with, and just see what the consistency is like. So let's get that underway. And so this could go anywhere up to 2 cups of water to 1 cup of mole. And let's see what we get here. At this point, I really just want to chop it up as fine as I can get it, because I'm going to strain it, and I want to get as much of that in the liquid as I can. Okay, and I don't think I'm going to get any better than that. So, let's strain it. See, there's still a lot of solids getting left in the strainer. Probably should have had a wider container to do this in. But
it's like all that.
It's like a milkshake now.
I know, that's what I was thinking, especially after the blender.
It might still be a little thick. We'll see what we end up with here. And I don't want it too thin, but you also, it's a beverage. You're not supposed to have to eat it with a spoon.
Unless it's a milkshake.
It should be, for a proper cocktail, it should be able to fit through a straw.
Yeah.
Which mojitos barely do.
Yeah, you have to use fat straws. So you want to come back after you've
let's
finished
come back,
doing that?
This is going to be boring. Okay, I've got this down to where it's just a little bit of sludge left. I mean, you see there's quite a bit still, even after I blended it and everything. You want to make sure when you do this with a strainer that you knock the juice off the bottom of the strainer so you don't waste it. And then I have this 2 cups of mole nectar. Look at that, it's like chocolate milk.
It really would be if you made the almond milk.
Yeah.
Oh, that is going to fit.
I do think this is going to be good with almond milk. I will try that one of these days. But as I say, you watching at home, let me know how it goes. And there you have it. There is our mole nectar. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can find us on YouTube or Facebook. Of course you can find us on YouTube. Two Cooks is with the number 2. And thanks for watching Two Cooks in the Kitchen. And we'll see you next time when we put all these drink ingredients together in one delicious mole tamarindo. Or maybe it'll be a holy mole. Who knows?